Whoa! We got hail. Not much, but don't really see a lot of hail around here. Dang. Man, this is... Oh, it's getting bigger hail. Oh, maybe not that big. Dang. Oh wait, we do have big hail. And about the size of a little pinball. Wow. Never seen, this is the first time I've seen, like, I mean, to us, that's a big hail right there. That, right there. It's not as big as, like, a golf ball or anything, but yeah, that's it. Wow. Could this be wacky weather? I don't know. Maybe rainy weather, not wacky. That is so... There's still some hail. Let's see, come on, focus. Still some hail on the ground. Whoa! Let's move to a different whoa. Ooh, lightning. I saw a flash of lightning. Could be loud. Did you hear that? Earlier today I was looking out and right above that the yellow house, there was a nice streak of lighting I saw. And then just 2 seconds later, the thunder came. Yeah, this is intense rain. We don't really get a lot of really typhoon type of rainstorms around here. Oh, it's getting brighter out. Let's see if this will last 5 minutes. I mean, right now it's 3:44 right now. Can't really see a lot. I always say that New England is known for 5-minute thunderstorms, where thunderstorms only last about 5 minutes. And now it's 4 minutes into it. It's getting brighter out. And so let's see. Hear the yep. See some clouds. Ooh! That's more hail hitting the house. 4:39. There's blue skies out right now, so it's almost over. .457, 458, 459. 5 minutes. Okay, it's still raining, but it's nearing the end. Now this could be wacky weather. We got sunshine and rain and hail, so maybe I should put this in wacky weather part 3. And that would have a trilogy. Oh, it's there's and the sun is, well, not out, but you can see the sunshine. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. Yeah, but it's well, it's over. I mean, it's it's still raining pretty hard, but not as hard as just a few minutes ago. So it's like an estimated approximate average 5 minutes of thunderstorms that we have around New England. You never get like an hour's worth, which sucks. I love those types of thunderstorms where you just have a flash of lightning and thunder over and over and over again and lasts for like all night long. You don't get much of those storms here. Just so fast, it sucks. Okay, my arm is getting tired, and I doubt this will continue getting any hard. Well, I don't know. But it's almost over anyway, so. Yeah. Got blue skies here. Dark clouds here. Blue skies. Dark clouds. Blue skies. Dark clouds. Okay. Blue skies smiling at me. Okay, so see you later.